Hi guys, we ordered something from IKEA and now the delivery guys are here. These boxes are IKEA's. They're making sure that it's straight. These shelves are for our storage at the back. We are going to organize our storage. So they installed shelves already. Don't go crazy, Pidigdig. It's okay. You're almost done. So we're going to organize our stuff in the storage. That's why we got the shelves. We finally got the time to do this. We cannot just have a visitor. You can hear now Drogba. Ka. Hi, baby. Drogba is showing off. He's feeling a lot better now. So, anyways, I want to show you how this shelves looks like now inside our storage. It was little enough to organize everything, but I still have to reorganize because I have to put them everything in the right places. Like I have to segregate the stuff here. So this is how it looks like, our storage. Supposedly this is for an extra room for servants or the maid, but we don't have a maid. And here's Drogba drinking water. So that's just it. Oh, the boxes are also IKEA. So yeah, it's so handy. And some of you already know that we still have our old house. And this one goes to our old house. So, see, Drogba is showing off. Okay, guys, bye. Cheers.